Well, that's enough welding for this time. Let's take care of some body and paint. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're taking a look at bodywork and panels for the Mark 1 project. As you've seen in the previous videos, we've been tackling the welding work on the back end. We're continuing that, but we thought we'd give you an insight into what's been going on with the doors, the wings, the bonnet, the boot. So over to Chris with the body and paint. So this is the paint booth where we've been tackling all the repairs and body and paint to the panels. So although the car was very original, at some point in its life somebody had replaced the wings for genuine wings. They'd also replaced the boot lid, the doors, but it had the original bonnet. So we've managed to save that. But all of these are in very good condition, no rot, no repairs need to be done other than dinks and dents. Our guy Chris in the body and paint has been dealing with all of these. These are all ready for sanding down, a bit more prep, and then they will go into final finished colour. At this stage you can see Chris has taken care of the filler and is laying down a couple of coats of high build primer. He'll layer this up so we can sand it back with the Pinkies blocks. We use William here to sand down the bonnet, giving us a nice smooth finish. It's all about choosing the correct sandpaper to do this. So we work this in stages. First stage is backwards and forwards in a crisscross section so we can aid a nice flat finish, slowly working out all the imperfections. This will also reveal low spots and where we might need to do some more work in the future. Thankfully these are all looking really nice and straight. We've been using Pinkies blocks for some time now. We also have their kneeling down mats. You should go check out their website. Link in the bio. Now Chris has flipped the bonnet over and is working all the detailed areas with a fine soft pad. This will help the paint stick when we get round to adding that later. It's all in the prep work. Getting this stage right, tack clothing the panels off and just inspecting before you go over it again with a final finish, making sure everything's nice and straight. This will show in the final finish paint. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe. He's now moving on to the boot. He'll work all the angles right into the corners. This is very important. There he is, giving us a wave. Once again, the next door, working backwards and forwards, working out all the imperfections. Also guys, don't forget to leave us a comment. Let us know what you want to see. If there's anything we've missed or there's anything you want us to cover, let us know. Just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Well guys, it was far too cold in the workshop, so we've jumped indoors and we're dealing with the edit right now. You'll see some other videos that we're doing in the future. I know this one's short and sweet, but check out what's happening next.